You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, September 11th. I'm meteorologist James Spann. Alabama's weather awfully quiet today, but breaking news. Check it out. We have one illegal rain shower that has popped up in the Tennessee Valley. We're live this afternoon at 2:50, and that shower is just northwest of downtown Huntsville, coming down toward the Space and Rocket Center and Redstone Arsenal. This is moving to the south, so it can rain in Alabama. But as you can see, we'll kind of expand the view out, and quite frankly, that's about it. The rest of the state is totally dry. Got a few scattered showers over Tennessee as well, and some of those might creep down into the valley, but you can see that shower is moving to the south-southeast. And again, so I guess there's hope that it could rain on a day like today. But again, for most places, no meaningful rain for the next 7 days. We'll check the upper air look, and again, it's a pretty high amplitude pattern. We have a big trough in the west, a ridge across the central states, and then a downstream trough in the east. And the visible satellite view showing that field of cumulus clouds over the northern third of the state, South Alabama. Totally sunny, not a cloud in the sky there. And the radar composite, those showers are so small you can't even see them here, but we got a few tiny isolated showers over Tennessee and that one shower in Madison County, Alabama. And that's it. Temperatures are near 90 in most spots. It is 90 in Birmingham, 89 at Montgomery, Huntsville 87, Mobile 89. We'll see readings at or just over 90 each day through early next week. There's the National Watch Warning map. Very quiet today. Got a few scattered flash flood watches out west. The counties out there in green. Got a risk of severe storms through tonight from Colorado and parts of eastern Utah up into sections of Montana and North Dakota and Minnesota. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks well to the west. And on day 3, which is Saturday, got a marginal risk. That's level 1 out of 5 for parts of Colorado and New Mexico. Rain for the next 7 days. Again, just not much at all. I mean, if you look carefully here, you'll see a little spattering of grayscale colors up in the Tennessee Valley, and that's for any isolated showers that basically occurred this evening. But in terms of meaningful rain, no, it looks awfully dry. And the new Drought monitor is out. This product is released once a week on Thursday morning at about 7 o'clock Central Time. So this is where we stand right now. The eastern side of the state, okay. The western side of the state, we're starting to see drought conditions creeping in. In fact, parts of Marengo County in what is considered to be a severe drought around Demopolis, Linden, and Sweetwater. A moderate drought up to Tuscaloosa. And the shades of yellow on that map, that's where the conditions are abnormally dry. But again, we expect to see a deterioration in that product in coming weeks as we are in the dry time of the year. Let's check weather in the tropics. Things are just remarkably calm. We have one wave that'll be coming off the coast of Africa in a few days, and the Hurricane Center giving this a 30% chance of becoming a depression or storm over the next 7 days. We'll take a look at probabilistic outlook coming off the European global model. And this is the chance of tropical storm formation with that feature. And the chance is now a little better than 50%, but notice it's gaining latitude. And the upper air pattern would suggest this will be turning into the open Atlantic. If anything forms out there, no threat to land. And again, no sign of any tropical trouble for the Gulf. No hurricanes, no tropical storms, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. So model fans, here we go. GFS, 12Z run, 4 o'clock tomorrow. Trough in the west, trough on the eastern seaboard, ridging in between. And we expect a dry day. Having said that, let's go to the high-resolution HRRR model, the 3-kilometer HRRR. And if you notice, there are a couple of little bitty green specks on that map. And so like today, there could be a little isolated shower somewhere, but the chance of any one spot getting one of those is 10% or less, and we typically don't mention that when that's the case. Highs tomorrow at or just over 90 in most spots. Same thing Saturday and the same thing Sunday. Sunny, hot afternoons, fair, pleasant nights, highs in the low 90s. So no rain for the college football games in Auburn and Tuscaloosa on Saturday. But keep in mind, for both of those games, temperatures will likely be in the low 90s by the second half. Let's go to next week. There's Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. I promise we're showing you different maps. They just look the same. We're dry. And a week from today, this is Thursday, September 18th. Little upper low that's off the coast of New Jersey and Delaware. A light flow aloft here. And once again, mostly dry. Maybe a few little isolated showers near the Gulf Coast. So in our great search for rain, let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, September 21st. And the ridge beginning to break down. A pretty good trough coming in from the north and west, but we still look dry. But maybe just beyond this 10-day stretch, we could see some rain that week beginning the 22nd of September. In fact, let's look at rain out to 15 days, and this is coming off the European Ensemble, the AI global model, the Ensemble run, and the mean of the Ensemble members is the green line there. And it's creeping up a little bit. This is between now and the 26th of September. The mean is just under 1 inch, and there's evidence we will see some rain out there maybe after September 20th. We'll take what we can get this time of the year. Temperatures during the day, mostly low 90s through all of next week. Morning lows in the 60s, and just in moments ago, latest long-range guidance coming from CPC. This is for September 19th through September 25th. Once again, we're solidly in the orange, meaning temperatures will likely be a little above average. And hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. I like this a lot. Oh, the little ones, the pre-K students, Southview Elementary in Tuscaloosa. And let me tell you what, they love to talk about weather, and they love to learn about weather. And, I like that cookie cake. I like that a lot. But we talked about how we forecast the weather, the fact that storms aren't bad. They're good. We need the water, a vital part of the water cycle. Talked a little bit about hurricanes and tornadoes, but that was a lot of fun. So again, to all of these pre-K students and the teachers at Southview Elementary in Tuscaloosa, thanks a lot for a great visit. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow going to be at Coosa Valley Elementary in Pell City. Tomorrow evening, I will be at Coleman High School for our Friday Night Rivals game of the week. It is going to be Jasper at Coleman on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, and 6. The game itself will be on our sister station in the Birmingham market, My 68, at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And, of course, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News. And, hey, don't forget, you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, 98.7 KISS. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thursday evening, and God bless.